whole
Okay.
it started and that first goal went in.
Correct.
Like okay, no problem. Second goal went in. Doable. Then Salah scores.
Yeah, then come back.
Third goal goes in.
Yes.
Fourth goal goes in. And I'm like, fourth goal goes in, and I'm kind of laughing. Okay, like what the hell is that going on? And okay, no problem.
Okay.
Half time. No problem. Fifth goal goes in. I still can't believe
Yeah,
it.
nobody could.
Fifth goal is in. I still can't believe it that this is happening.
Correct.
I'm still laughing. Then Salah scores, and I think, okay, 5-2. Yeah, good. Maybe something can
Correct.
happen. Then sixth goal goes in, and seventh goal goes in. Till that seventh goal,
Yeah.
I'm not sad or anything. I'm like, how?
Yeah, what's happening?
Not even what's happening. Like how? How can how is it possible? Like last week people were like, yeah, this is a champions team. This is a team which can win the title, and
Yeah,
7-2 to Aston Villa.
out of nowhere.
Till the last whistle, out of nowhere. Till the last whistle, what?
Yeah.
I couldn't even analyze. I couldn't even see what was the mistake and what went where and how it went. And I'm just like, what? That's all was going on in my mind. Like, what?
This is exactly Premier League at its best, I'd say.
What was it like?
Just see,
I don't know.
nothing went wrong. There's nothing.
Nothing
Yeah.
Okay, fine. The defense was bad.
Yes.
See, no good defense lets in 7
Correct.
goals. I
True.
agree, but by bad, I mean Liverpool's bad is you let in 3 goals
Correct,
in,
yeah.
and that's like considered, oh my god, worst performance.
Correct, yeah.
Not 7
Seven.
goals. Not
And no
7
team
goals.
scores
Not
7
4
goals
goals
also.
at half-time.
It's not easy to score 7 goals.
What was his name? Ollie Watkins. I
Yes,
think?
Watkins, yes.
Hat-trick.
In the first half.
On debut.
In the first half, not even the second half.
30 minutes. Within 30 minutes, not even first half. Within 30 minutes, he gets a hat-trick on a debut, and against the reigning champions.
Yeah.
How?
And
What?
see, they just didn't have any fear, and it showed like what a new signing can influence a team, or like positivity in the team. They had a spring in their step.
You do the analysis. I don't even want to go into it.
No, but still,
You do the analysis. You tell me what happened.
there's a lot of things. I mean, they knew the vulnerability of Alexander Arnold. Most of the
Yeah.
goals were on that side. Then they knew
They did it once. They did it
Yeah.
twice. The second goal was also the
second,
same.
and even the
Went from
6
there.
and 7 also. 6 and 7, yeah, it's so ironic. So yeah, basically they just targeted that wing, and they had good players also. Grealish was on form. Watkins is a very good prospect. Looks very
He did-
attractive.
He could have. He scored 3, but he could have
Yeah,
got 4. or
and he was
5.
very lively. He was so
Really could have.
proactive. He was not waiting for
Yeah.
things to happen. He was trying to make something
Yeah.
happen. This is very positive from Villa's point of view. But
They were not afraid.
yeah,
That
that's the
was
thing. They were not afraid for one bit. They had so much positivity.
Yeah.
Like and
and I'll tell you what, at 1-0 down or 1-0
Mhm.
up, when they scored first goal, usually what other teams would have done in Aston Villa's
position.
level of team, I mean, they would have started
To defend.
defending
Correct.
the lead and tried to score the second goal when there was a
Correct.
chance. But Aston Villa didn't do that. They just went again and they did the same thing and they scored the same goal.
They just kept coming back.
So that was-
They kept the pressure up, and they have good quality now. Like their midfield with Barkley's goal out of nowhere. What a shot! I mean, I don't know if maybe Alisson would have saved it, but
That was also
Yeah.
there. That's also
Alisson was there. A lot of things.
Gomez was there and
Anyway, that's one freak result which doesn't show anything. It was just a freak result.
I know. That's why I'm not
Yeah.
worried actually. I'm not worried about Liverpool. I'm actually worried about United. We'll get to that
Yes.
though. But I'm not worried about this because I think this was one-off.
Yeah, it was
result,
one-off result.
and,
Totally one-off result.
and like I think 3 or 4 goals.
Yeah.
I think 3 were deflected goals.
Yes, correct.
Like luck was completely on Aston
Oh,
Villa.
100%.
I don't like to say luck and all in football, but this time really it was whatever they were hitting. It
Yeah,
was
you
good.
need luck also, a lot of luck.
Yeah. And the first goal also that they got was from
Yeah,
some
mistake, yeah.
From so like 4 to 5 goals, they just
And-
came out of
But
nowhere.
like it was a
Vintage.
mixture of luck and strategy and persistence.
Yeah.
It was a game
Yeah.
of football. That's all. Nothing else.
No. Usually, see if this was a normal night, Aston Villa would have
Okay.
played their game, and Liverpool would have defended. I'm not saying Villa wouldn't have played the same game or anything. They would have played some wonderful football, but they would not have been able to score.
So much,
With
yes.
Van Dijk there, with
Correct, true.
with Matip there or Alisson there, they wouldn't have gone past them.
Correct, yes.
I'm saying they would have got the shots. They would have got shots on target also, but they wouldn't have scored. So
Maybe not. Yeah.
But tonight, but tonight they were whatever they hit, it
Yeah.
went in. Like it was
On a
like
different night, it would have been a different scoreline. Yeah.
Yeah. So I'm not worried. What I'm actually worried about is Man United.
Yeah. Let's go there.
The thing is, they also lost by a big margin.
Yes.
But Liverpool, when they are good, they are better than Man United. But when they are bad,
Very
they're
better.
still better than Man United. So they scored 2 and let in 7.
Yeah.
Man United let in 6
And
they
scored one.
only 1.
Yes.
Yeah. But they scored first. It was
Yeah.
a penalty as expected, and it was a mandatory penalty.
Yes.
So in each game they just give it to Man United. Here, have your 2 penalties for the game. Just get it over. with.
Okay, that's
Done.
very salty.
Done.
It's a very salty
it's-
statement.
It's,
Because see, it's
it is-
a valid penalty. It's not a
It's
dive.
true,
It's
true,
not
it's
a wrong decision.
by the end of the season, it's going to be like that. They'll just let them go. Like have it, get it over with. But anyways, digressing. So first penalty, I don't know. I actually forgot.
Martial was fouled by Sanchez and Bruno Fernandes took the penalty. They
Yeah.
scored, and then the tide changed. Tottenham got into the
first
game.
goal from
Ndombele, Maguire was wrestling Shaw.
Ndombele was the first goal. Yeah, first
Yeah,
goal. Yes. Maguire's
wrestling with Shaw, and then he pulled him down. He couldn't clear the ball. Empty.
in that small space.
I don't know why his
I saw
arms
that,
are
right?
around Shaw like that is so
It
ridiculous.
was so comedy. He
One
channeled
of the
his inner
most
Phil Jones
frustrating
there.
nights of my life, I would say. I'm watching the
That-
television
that
and I'm
play
like,
was
oh
so
my god, what is happening? Why is this going in this direction? And Tottenham look so lively, they look so electric, they look so dominating and commanding. They look
Yeah.
damn
That
good
was-
without
that-
Bale.
Yeah, without
Yeah.
Bale. And Ali also came later.
Yeah, and he came. He was just there for the namesake, but others had done that. And Kane looks like a different player right now.
Yes.
He's not a striker now. He's the man for Tottenham.
He's providing also. He's creating spaces. He's providing
Yeah,
for
he's
Son,
so
Son
fast. He's
providing for
thinking so
Kane.
fast. He's
Yeah, that synergy is
Yeah.
coming into.
and also like
They're
they're
great.
they're using their strength. They know Son is uncatchable on the counter, and they're using
Yeah.
it to perfection. Like against the previous game against where he scored 4 goals.
Yeah.
It was the same thing.
Uh-huh.
Kane
Yeah.
drops, receives, turns, releases Son. He's on his way, score, goal. Finisher, very top
I don't
quality
know
finisher.
I don't know which number goal it was,
Mm-hmm.
but Kane was on ground, surrounded by I think
That is a third, second goal.
Lindelof or
By
and
Lindelof was not on the pitch. Yeah.
sorry, not Lindelof, Maguire and Bai,
Uh-huh.
and Kane is on ground with ball on his
Yeah.
feet, and he sees that Son is
Yeah,
there,
that's the second goal.
and they also see, the defenders are also seeing that Son is there, and he can run
Correct,
there.
yes.
But nobody goes and tries to cover him.
Harry Kane.
No,
Bai.
Bai is just trying to. He sees
Mhm.
it, and he's just pointing.
Watch.
He's
yes.
not covering. He's just pointing that he's there. So Kane just.
It
passes it and he goes.
It was a
on.
comedy of errors. See, Martial's sending off may have made the score to a 6 goals, but if he was not sent off, it would have been 3 or 4 for sure.
Yeah, exactly. Because see, sending off, I know it changes the game.
But
and
no,
all. But
there was no game before that also. We looked lively,
Yeah,
but we
exactly.
were
There
not
was-
threatening as much as Tottenham were.
Yeah. They were dominant from that in that.
First extreme,
11
he
itself.
was. Their midfield was too physical, too
And-
strong, and
And plus,
just too.
And plus, nobody removed your first centre back, first choice centre
Mm.
back. Martial was sent
Correct.
off. He was in the
Correct.
front. If you don't score goals, which you don't, but that is understandable because your first choice attacker has been taken off. Now, if you sub someone in his place,
Correct.
there'll be second
Correct.
choice, and he won't be able to perform at his
True,
level
correct.
because he's the second choice. But your back line was still intact.
True.
It was still there. They should have defended like they would have defended in a normal
Correct,
game.
yes.
And in front of them, whoever was there in that defensive mid, they also should have given the protection. They should have Martial's duty is not to come back and defend
Correct, yeah.
some goals. So that game plan shouldn't have changed.
True, very true.
And when they went one man down, after that, I saw that they were getting overwhelmed in their box.
In everything.
But still,
In
that-
every every part of the field, they were overwhelmed.
No. But in their own box,
Yeah.
that is a very very risky thing.
They passed around the
When
box
they were
and Bai
getting
gave it try.
overwhelmed,
Yeah.
exactly. Why to pass it? Why are you doing?
You're
that?
already one man
Just
down, yes.
Why to do that? There are more people there, and there are chances that they can get that goal, and they got that
True.
ball, and that led to a goal.
It was just, it did lead to a goal. That was the Hurricane goal.
I can't even remember. There were
Yeah,
so many
even I have
goals,
lost
6
track,
plus
I think.
7 plus 2 plus 1.
Then, you know what, it was a very bad night, and
Yeah.
United defense, United defense was very good last year, and I don't know what happened in the first 3 matches of this season has been pathetic. Like everybody seems so they're not focused, they're not disciplined, and even Maguire was so good last year. This year he looks so out of place. He's like,
Was he though?
yeah, he was. He was. See,
See, because
he.
there are
Yeah.
there are patches of good
Yeah.
games, and there are patches of
Average games.
no performances.
Yeah.
And that's not just with him; it's with the team.
No,
also.
this year he's had howlers, he's had errors. Last year
Exactly.
he did not have howlers. He was like subdued, but he was not overwhelmed. This year he's been overwhelmed. They're running circles around him.
Yeah. True.
That is the difference, I guess. I don't know. Anyway, let's.
I think that is okay. See, that team is there, and they are not exactly world class.
Correct.
Even though Man United have paid huge amount for those people, like for example Maguire, 80 or something.
Yes.
I think. How much?
80.
Yeah. He does not look like an 80 million
Player.
defender.
True.
Even last season,
No, he was not.
Honestly, I don't think he was not 80 million kind of player.
He's not in the category
Then-
of Van Dijk or Laporte or
Koulibaly,
Yeah,
people
Ramos,
like that.
someone like
Yeah.
that. These
Yeah,
are the
so
elite
that-
defenders. He's not there.
Yeah. No. But I'm not bashing on Maguire in particular. Similarly, there are other people who before coming to United were destined to be greats
Correct.
and huge potentials. Then they come in and they don't exactly show
Their potential.
potential or they don't reach there. I think part of the blame here is with the manager also. Like he is not able to get
The
that
best out of
it.
them.
Yeah. A good manager would have been able to turn a bad
Player. Yeah, correct. I understand.
team also into an average team, and people would be like, okay, this guy has had some
Yeah,
improvements
he's overachieved.
or better than what he was.
Yes. Ah,
Solskjaer is a good manager in terms of
rebuilding.
getting that
Stability
nice,
back to the team.
feel in the
Yeah.
team and all that is good, but in-game management out of game management that I don't think
Is that
he's able to provide. He looks out of depth. I think.
Yeah, it probably does. But again, he was always more of a man manager kind of thing.
No, but man manager at a point is okay. Like
Ancelotti,
he's
he's
also
man, but he's got a person
He-
for his tactics. Like Duncan Ferguson is, Duncan Ferguson, right? Yeah, he's doing it. Like he's the interim manager who was before Ancelotti was appointed.
Yeah, but I mean, like in the game,
Mhm.
when the game is going on, the decisions that are being made, he makes
Yeah,
it,
but
right? It's not that.
Ole seems very
all the ma-
bad in game decisions.
Yeah, so that's the thing. Like those choices, those.
Yeah, that's why there's reports
The-
already of Pochettino being contacted for any like prospective takeovers. Like, come on, that's
Don't think Woodward has the spine.
yeah,
to do that,
transfer
but-
window 2.0. That's it. I don't want to go into that.
Anyways, enough of. these-
Merseyside and Manchester
these-
Scouses. Okay, we'll stop.
But one thing
Uh-huh.
is there these type of results
Mhm.
are becoming something like it used to be an anomaly, but now it's like okay, every week it's happening.
Yeah,
Last week,
this
City it happened.
true. Leicester,
Leicester scored 5, unheard of against
Man City.
a team like Man City. Okay, Man City are missing their strikers, so we can let them go that they didn't score as many goals.
They have enough squad depth.
Because they don't have any striker as of now, any defined
Yeah,
striker.
they have only Jesus.
Right? But still, defensively, they should have not let in 5 at least. Like,
I think it's like
Even
the
now-
game has lost its defensive side of thing. Like everybody wants to be
Yeah.
more attacking team.
more attacking, but the thing is,
But-
the teams who have that caliber of players who can score 7,
Yeah.
it's the opposite. They are being scored
Yeah.
against.
Because the other team is focused
That is
on the
true.
defensive part of it. Like Mourinho, Tottenham, even though they were 10 man down, they were very disciplined in their positioning. As soon as they lost
Yeah.
the ball, they were back into their two rows of 4 and 2 ahead. They knew how to press. They did not lose their shape or concentration or discipline in any moment throughout the entire match.
Yeah.
That
Yeah.
showed. Like
He does.
it's also like you said, it's the manager. The manager is the impact of the manager is very clearly seen in Tottenham right now.
Yeah.
You can see like Mourinho uses the word cunty. The
Mm.
players
Mm.
are becoming a little bit. They're not playing the fair play or
Yeah.
soft side of game. They're being very aggressive. They're
Yeah.
being really annoying players right now. Every player of
Yeah. We didn't talk about that penalty incident
The red-
with Martial.
the red card, you're saying.
Red card
Yeah.
incident. We discussed it on WhatsApp, but at that time I had not seen the
Correct.
incident, and then I saw it, and yeah, I can understand your frustration with that. But
It was a
Martial's red card was justified.
yeah.
What was not justified?
Why
was
VAR
nothing
wasn't
was
involved
given
in
to- Okay, VAR, yeah, right. VAR also should have been involved, and nothing was given to Lamela.
Correct.
Nothing happened to Lamela, and okay, I see why he gave the red card to Martial because he saw it, and even though it was just a touch on his chin or whatever, but you are not supposed to do
Correct.
that. Whatever it was, the reason why he gets a red card is because there was intent
Correct.
that he was trying to do that. Even though he didn't do it, but he was trying to do it. So Martial's is justified, but Lamela's I can understand why. I cannot understand
That's
why Lamela
because
did not get anything.
the referee was adamant not to look at the screen or the monitor and like get another opinion. He just thought, okay, this is my decision. I'll go with it. Red card,
Yeah.
and spoils the entire
But-
game. I mean, not like that, but in an overall view, I'm saying, like in a more of a in an age in when there is VAR, there is like so
Yeah,
much
it
of
should have been
assistance for
used.
him. He didn't even consult his line assistant referee. Nothing. It was just a straight red.
But like usually
Mhm.
when I don't know, but usually when something like this happens, some offside is given or some offside is not given and a goal is scored, they get a call. I
Yeah.
think they get a call from them
Is
and
it-
they
review
say
is
that,
going on.
No, wait. something happened, we will check it, right? So why didn't that happen? Like that should have happened. Like the people who are sitting in the VAR box, they would have seen all this. They would have seen that Lamela actually starts it, and
It should have been a yellow for both of them because it's foolish to send off both of them.
yeah, that also is there. But again, if both of them get just a yellow, and it was more of a
You can't say.
What's it called?
It's
what's it called? Like, I forget the word. He just wanted to show
dominance.
that
That's it.
this cannot. Yeah.
He
like,
wants to
this
stamp
is
his
not
authority.
allowed.
That's
Yeah.
it. He's
Yeah,
like, I am in
this
charge.
can't
Yeah, I'm in
happen.
charge. I'm
Yeah.
being blindly.
I'm in charge, and this shouldn't
Yes.
happen. What you did shouldn't happen. So you go off.
Anyway, never mind. Let's go ahead.